For number 11, I'm going to let u equal the denominator, and I'm going to take the derivative. So du is equal to 2x dx, and you'll notice that we do have this extra x in our problem, which means that I want to leave this x with the dx so that I can make that substitution. So this will be a 1/2 du is equal to x dx if I divide both sides by 2. So my substitution that I'm going to make, I'm going to replace the x squared plus 4 with u, and I'm going to replace the x dx with 1/2 du. So my new problem is the integral of 9 times 1/2 du over u, which I can just combine those, not du. So then the integral of this, if we have 1 over u, it's just ln, so this will be 9 over 2 ln of u plus c. So then our final step would be to substitute back. So 9/2 ln x squared plus 4 plus c. And that'll be our final answer.